Guys, now the next thing I want to do is, I've got these in stages. This is the finished one here. And this is one that I painted a few minutes ago with the white, and I wanted to make sure it was dry. Okay, this is the second stage, but it's still a little damp. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to jump to the trim work while this paint is still drying. This white is still drying, okay? So I am going to wet my paintbrush, and I'm going to tap it on the towel, wet it, tap it on the towel, and I'm going to dip it in my darker red color, okay? Now, we're going to move this up one here. It's drying, and I just want you to see what I'm going to do. It's very, very simple. All I'm going to do is take this dark red color, and I'm going to put it on the edges, just like this. I'm going to brush it back and forth. And there's something about that. I'm going to check something real quick. I need that to be a little bit. I can tell that I've painted this one in two different. I have, oh gosh, a buku number of different shades of red, but I do want this outer edge red to be slightly darker, guys. So I'll go with one shade darker, whatever you're using. And when I go down through here, you're gonna see how it's a darker difference. Okay. And all I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna make a harsh line. I'm gonna let it just kind of smoky out through it. Like that. Now it helps if the paintbrush is wet for me. So again, if I think it's getting too dry, I'm going to tap that out. Okay, paintbrush wet, tap it out. Dip it in my dark red. Let the brush, tap it out, get your dark red in your bristles, and you're gonna just glide along the top board of the brush, and you're gonna let your top bristles hang over the edge and glide across the front of the board. It's not hard to do, okay? Not hard to do. All I'm gonna do is just make sure I've got the amount on there that I want. For the trim, and we are going to be set, guys. Okay, get it wet one more time here. Dip it in my dark red. It's the last of my dark red in my container there. All the paint out of my brush now, so I'm going to feather I'm just going to feather the borders back and forth, bending it down so you can't see harsh lines, okay? I'm buffing out the edges slightly so you can't see harsh lines. It wouldn't matter even if you had harsh lines though, guys, because it's still going to make it very beautiful. It would just be a different style, okay? All right, there we go.